Assalamualaikum students. I hope all the students well and good in our life. Today we have to discuss the exercise 1.3 question number 4. Let we have to screen x 2 over 3 plus 54 is equal to 15x 1 over 3. Let solution. First of all, we have to let the x small value of x in the question put the in the value of the y. Let the y. So small value of x is x 1 over 3. So is equal to y. So x 1 over 3 both sides square. Taking both sides square. X1 over 3 square and y square. 2 is multiply 1 over 3. So 2 1 over 3 is equal to y square. So we have to putting the value of x1 over 3 is y and x2 over 3 putting the value of y2. So putting the value in, we have to see in our screen. So we have to rearrange. So big value of y is y square. So all the values is come in the y square side. So plus and other side is minus 15y plus 54 is equal to 0. So next we have to factorization for this equation. So we have to 54 multiply by 54 and plus minus by minus and plus. So two values 9 and x. 9 is multiplied by 6 is 54 and minus plus and 9 and 6 plus is by 15. So 9y and 6y is the accurate two figures we have to putting in the factorization. So first two values y square and minus 9y common. So y is common and then remaining y minus 9. So next 3 and 4 value is common. 6 minus 6 is common in two figures, in two digits. So y and minus, so the change the symbols in the bracket. So plus minus 54 is divided by 6, so 9 is remaining. So two values is come after the factorization. Y minus 9 and y minus 6 is equal to 0. So both the values are is equal to 0. So y minus 9 is equal to 0 and y minus 6 is equal to 0. Y value is minus 9. So other side is plus 9, minus 6 and other side is plus 6. So putting the value in the first step, we have to let the x 1 over 3 is equal to y. So y is putting the value of the x 1 over 3 on the both side. X 1 over 3 and x 1 over 3 on the y place. So taking the cube both side, x 1 over 3 is cube and 9 cube. So cube and 1 over 3 is cut and 9 cube is multiply 9 cube means 3 times multiply by 9. 9 multiply. So the 729 is the x value. Other side x1 over 3 is equal to 6. So both side taking the cube 1 over 3 is 3 and is equal to 6 3. So 3 and 1 over 3 is cutting. Since 6 3 is value is 2 1 over 6. Solution says answer is 729 and 216. So best of luck and taking practice good and good. So Allah Hafiz, best wishes for the next lecture.